Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I have a lot of really exciting stuff to show you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm a little bit rusty, a little bit tired, and I ran up the stairs a bunch of times today. So I might be a little bit loopy, but we are going to go ahead and get into this. So the first thing here is a wiggle. We haven't done a clear wiggle in what feels like 10,000 years, but this one is honestly, she was worth waiting for. We have a bazillion wiggles to release, and I just got a foil order in with a bunch more, and I never have felt so proud of myself for the wiggle colors that I picked, but they are like the most fire wiggle colors ever. We have, I think, like, well, there's more coming. I think there's like 12 more coming, and then I think I just put like 25 or something like away. So we have a lot, and then we had ones from before that we haven't released yet, so we have a lot of wiggles. This one is Champagne Lights, which is my favorite like specialty foil color, because hollow is to sparkly hollow as gold is to Champagne Lights. That's the best way to explain it. It matches our gold tone perfectly and a lot of others, because the nice thing about like glitter and sparkles is there's variance in the like darkness, the lightness, and sometimes even like depending on the light, the like hue that it picks up. This matches pretty much anything that gold will match. It matches July Mystery, it matches all the kits this week, and it matches so many things. I'm probably gonna need at least like 30 of these, because now that we have it in a full Mac Daddy Twinkle wiggle, we have it in the shop now as like an $8, but it's in chunky, but I still used it a ton. But I'm gonna need a billion of these, because Twinkle is also my favorite wiggle. So this is honestly probably my favorite wiggle ever to exist. It should just be named Andrea's favorite, because it is literally my favorite. So it's just your standard wiggle format. So you have your 15mm, your cutout icons, your script sampler, your circle icons. You have 6 of these pages here with these 7 headers, these 14 half cut headers, and the 2 full boxes, 6 of those. You have your food doodles and drink doodles, and then you also have your, we have so much stuff coming to the shop that's so good. I just thought of something else, but the twinkles. Love that wiggle so much. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, well, yeah. Duh, we have scripts this week. This is the second time I'm filming this, because the first time I was just honestly a wreck, but I totally skipped the scripts, so I'm glad that I went back. So we do have some scripts this week. This is probably one of our most requested, and whenever it was most requested, I already had it on order, so it was perfect. So this is With My Love, which I think is so cute. It could work well for a partner, but also well, I think, for a child. Or, you know, With My Love, maybe it's something funny like your cat or your like Starbucks drink. I don't know. So I thought this was really cute, and you do have it in all 4 foils. There's also the shop owner sheet. So I just picked some different things that we do here. So there's brainstorm, print and cut, assemble, inventory listings, pull orders, and package orders. Super cute. Love it. And I'll definitely be using that a ton, all 4 foils. And then also this one has, it was sneaked in like a freebie for, or Estelle for a release where it was, I think it was actually her pre-order. I think the first X amount of orders or something got, we did bundles of this, 2 of our quotes, and then a mark like vinyl, but that was in sparkly hollow, so that was exclusive to that, and we have it in all 4 foils in our shop now, and it says updating the cloud, which is super cute for planning. It's just kind of a nice play if you have a cloud on a different like planning time, like updating the cloud. Nick said it wasn't funny, but I think it is, so there's that. Then we have 3 kits this week. 2 of them are exclusive art and 1 of them is not, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the non-exclusive art first. But I'm like super excited about this. This art came out this morning, and I knew I had to use it. It came out in a summer colorway and a fall colorway. I prefer the fall, so here we are. And it is cool because it has 2 of our new updates in it, which I'm really excited about, which another kit in this does have also the updates. So let's get into it. So first things first is you have your full boxes, which I just love the colors in this. I love the girls. Let me show you guys so you can see with looking at this the different girl options, because I feel like I might use 4 just because like of how different they all look, but like actually adorable. Like, look at all the hair colors. I love this hair color here. I love this girl. I love this girl. I'm just like, you could use a lot, and it definitely extends the kit. I also changed the shirt color, so if you want to use both of those or both of these in this thing, it's not like gonna look wild or anything like that, you know what I mean? So, love this. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a closer look, but you guys can also go on Instagram and zoom there as well if you want to see it in a little bit better of lighting. This is the extra box page, so you have the fire and then just kind of like the, I guess like beers. You can pretend they're like Mexican Cokes. And then you have the cooler, the little like, again, that could be like a Dr. Pepper, but like obviously these are supposed to be, I assume, like beer and like another kind of beer, but like I don't drink, so I'm just gonna pretend. And then also a s'more, but I love this page, it's my favorite. Then you have your deco, you have your functional, your half boxes, your icons, and then this is the new page. We did premiere the new mini kit page in the last new releases, and that ultimate that was released last week was done for a while, so it didn't have the updated little things page. But yeah, so this is the new little things page. They are the same height as the little things were. We kept them the same height just because of like planner math wasn't really working with the taller ones. And then you also ended up getting an extra one, which is nice there as well. So that is the new little things page. And the thing with the new little things page, but unless the kit has like a specialty freebie, we are going to be using the new freebie, which this one is just like our first rendition of scripts. So, you know, in the future, whenever we run out of these, we'll be switching to a new like set of scripts, but I think I'll be sticking with the clear with the black for a while, just because I think that it's really versatile, and then you can also use these in other spreads. And as far as Facebook goes, this was the most like voted combination. I did like a lot of polls to figure this out, so I'm really excited about this because I think that these are great. So like I said, like let's say this kit's still in the shop in a year and you order it, it might have like a different freebie if we printed more. So that is kind of the idea there. But obviously, like let's say if there's a tall box or something, that would be the kit freebie, so you wouldn't get the scripts. But obviously, like I would show you guys in the new release video what freebie you're gonna get, but this one does have the new freebie, which I'm really excited about. And you're gonna kind of see that like anything that is new printed does have the new little things page, and will have like the new freebie, or it'll have like a specialty freebie. But this one, like for example, this one still has the munchkins because it was done a while ago and doesn't have the new little things page. Then you have the bottom washi page, which has really pretty florals on it. I was so in love with those. I was gonna do like a full floral pattern, but I felt like the boxes were quite busy, and I think that this will look pretty just by itself on the bottom. But again, I think this would look really beautiful with champagne lights. So, but again, I think all three of them would look pretty with champagne lights, so what do I know. This one is, again, called Lake House. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit of this, which still has the same freebie. I can get it out. Okay, I haven't done a new release video in like 2 weeks, so I'm a little bit rusty. We have the full boxes. We have the same deco page. If I can lift it up. We have the functional, and then also the new mini kit page, which again was premiered last week. I just think this is really aesthetically pleasing and beautiful. And then you also have the bottom washi page, again with the same freebie. So that is the Lake House mini kit, and we are still doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. That seemed to be our sweet spot. I feel like we've been doing it for like a year now, and it just really works. But I don't know like during the holidays if we're gonna be able to do it, but we will try our best. So that is the mini kit, and then like I said, we do have the girls, which I really think when I use this kit, I'm gonna use 4, just because I'm like, I can't pick. And I'm gonna probably have to use some extenders, because I also really like the extra boxes, which is the great thing about extenders, which we do have the new matte ones in the shop. So there's also the option if you add it on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the glitter. I was gonna do like faux gold throughout, but I also think like, let's say you're not a gold person, this would look really good with a variety of wiggles, but they would also look good with silver, and then rose gold I think would also be really pretty. So I didn't want to make it so that, you know, if you pick silver that the gold would clash. Next, we'll go into the, actually we'll go into this one. So this one here, both of these next arts are exclusive art. So this one is really cool because I was really bored, I'm gonna say like a month ago, maybe. Yeah, a month ago. And I was like just recoloring some stuff because I really love the like leopard trend that's been like this summer's like thing. And I love like leopard and pink and nudes. So I went ahead and recolored a bunch of stuff from Kit and Jess to make like a little kit that was like leopard, and then I had her draw me an exclusive little scene down here that matched like what I already had done. So I had like the girl and the cat here and like all of these boxes, and I was like, Jess, can you just make me like a scene that matches? And look at this scene. When I opened this, I think Nick was with me, and I was like, oh my goodness, Nick, we need to like do our bedroom like this with like the poster bed. So beautiful. And then this is one of the new exclusive girls. I think most of this art is exclusive. No, it's not, because like these I just recolored. This isn't a kit that hasn't even come out yet. Yeah, there's like a bunch of exclusive stuff, some non-exclusive stuff, but I like recolored everything, and I just think it looks so, so good. But it was just like a fun little project for me because I really wanted like a pink leopard kit. And oh my gosh. Okay, look at this situation. So it's obviously like, it's a full scene here, but you can, like, the idea was to use them separately, but it looked like aesthetically pleasing on the sheet. So you have like a cloud, you have some washi tapes, a pen, a little scrunchie, some wiggles, the sheets from the kit, a little ice drink, a switch, some glasses, some more washi, a bow clip, and I just love this. Also, you can use marble multicolor with this because the marble is like the same. Oh, also Jess did new patterns for me, so it's just so good. And then you have the gold throughout. Again, this would look beautiful with champagne lights. I kind of want to use this like tomorrow because it's so pretty, and it's just like these colors. It's honestly not even really a pink. There is some like pink. There's like, this is a pink, but this is more of like a pinky nude, so that's kind of nice. And then again, you have the same freebie because it has like the new little thing sheet, right? Yes, the new little thing sheet, so pretty. All right, so that is, what did I do? Where's the front page? Oh, here. This is leopard, and again, I just love this kit so much, and I'm so excited about it. I wanted to release it a couple weeks ago, but like things happen where like we have things that are set to release, and then other art comes out, so we move the things that are done just to kind of like, it's just like a giant juggling act of what to release. We have at any time like usually like 12 to 20 kits like ready to go. So the mini kit, I won't show you guys the format of that. I have to figure out this camera because I feel like it's adjusting to the lighting weird. And then we do have some extras. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then this is cool because it has like the leopard in the gold on top, which is pretty cool. Kind of like abstract, and it looks cool whenever you like separate them. So these are the glitter headers, and then also there is a like full sheet that is the fashion girls. So you have like different, so this is like a completely different outfit here. So this kind of, you can have 3 girls going at once. You can extend your kit. You have 2 tall boxes, and then you also have 4 regular size boxes. So these girls were from the Her Day kit, and then these ones I think were from the Easter kit, like my Easter exclusive. So that was super fun to do, and I definitely will do something like that in the future. It was super time consuming, but like it was very fun, like in the like artist in me. So this kit here is another exclusive. This one's from like 12 years ago, and this one is TWG exclusive art, and it is called Storybook. It was a mystery. I think I've reformatted it once before this, and then there's this rendition. So this is just a really pretty like in the woods fairy kind of art, and this one has been done for a little bit and waiting to release at the perfect time, but a lot of people really love this art, so I just went ahead and reformatted it. It was a custom with TWG, and I think it was one of our last ones, and it's super, super cute with really pretty pastel colors. Again, the gold throughout, which would look really pretty with champagne lights. Again, this is older format because it's been done for a while. And then you have the bottom washi, which is super simple and pretty as well, because, let me show you actually. This is the 15mm strip, like so pretty with that. I love it. So that is the ultimate kit. It has the Munchkin Head freebie, again, because this has been done for months, just waiting to be released. We have a couple on board that have been there for a while. And there is that. There is also the mini kit, and that has the old mini kit format as well. You do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers if you want to add it on, and then you also have the label sampler if you want to add that on as well. So we have a lot going on this week. I feel like not as much as last week though. That was quite a bit. But I'm really excited, and I'm really excited to use these kits and to see you guys use them as well. Definitely tag me on Instagram. I've been going through like our tag pictures for inspiration, and I've been loving it. Liking and sharing some of those pictures as well on Instagram. Instagram after years finally has allowed me to, like, on a post, like if somebody posts a picture, I can like share the picture to my story, which is just like, it hasn't, like, I've never been able to do it, so now I'm like, I want to share all the pictures. So that is everything for this week. All of these releases go on sale Wednesday at noon Eastern. There's a limited stock and a special pricing on the Wiggle for the first 48 hours. And that, I think, is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys later.